this activity you will need some string, a pair of scissors and some cardboard. So check your recycling bin and see what you've got in there.
Hello and welcome to Wild Things Online Activities. Now today I'd like to invite you to go for a spring walk and look for some woodland treasures. And when I say woodland treasures, I mean things that are often on the ground. It could be blades of grass, it could be leaves, it could be feathers, flower petals. And if you collect those up, then I will show you how you can make a really lovely weaving picture using those treasures. For this activity you can do it in your backyard or your garden, or if you go for a little walk. Today I've come to York Arboretum, so I will be collecting some woodland treasures there. And to make your weaving loom, all you need is a little bit of cardboard. This is from an old Weetabix box, and then you can snip some little holes, little cuts in the side, and spin it round on the opposite side, just cut the same, and this will just hold the string in place. So once you've done that, you'll need some string, and then you can just start wrapping it. I leave a little bit of a longer length there just so I can tie it off. I just need to hold it down there like that. And then you just need to wrap your string around like that. Scissors again, snip it off, and I will just do a basic knot just to tie it off. And that is as simple as it is. And you can change the shape of your cardboard. I did a lovely heart one the other day, heart-shaped one. And then we will go and find some woodland treasures to weave in and out of the loom. So I have collected up some woodland treasures, and I'm going to get a few more in a moment. I've got this lovely old oak leaf, and I'm going to start weaving it in and out of the string. Great for little children because they can develop their hand-eye coordination lifting up the string. And I'm going to go and collect some more. So here we go, guys. Here is my final loom that I've made, my nature loom, and I think it looks really pretty. So you can see I've got some feathers on there. Here we go, some feathers. They were from the peacocks. They're stunning, aren't they? Some lovely glossy leaves. I ended up taking out my big oak leaf actually. It was a little bit too big for this little loom, so I've kept it to go in the big one. Now generally we at Wild Things we say just collect woodland treasures that you find that are on the floor. So rather than taking leaves off a tree or petals from a flower that's growing, we leave them where they are until they've fallen. And we do that because they are there for a reason. They are there for insects to lay their eggs on, or to eat little aphids. So the only exception that I've got here is I did pick this dandelion. Okay, so I only picked one because dandelions are amazing for helping to feed the bees at the beginning of the season. So it's kind of like it could be their supper. So I only took one. Anyway, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this simple little activity. Oh, before I go actually, let me show you this one. This shows my romantic side. I made this one for my husband for Valentine's, as you can see, hopefully. I've moved a little bit. It's in a heart shape. It's the same kind of concept, and then you weave things in and out there. Okay, so it's just a little variety. So if you have a go at this, please do share your photos in the Facebook group that's on my Facebook page. I'd love to see what you do. So yeah, keep me posted on your activities. See you hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye.